Hi, my name is Beth. I'm from Pickens, South Carolina, and I'd like to be an Engine 2 food coach. Today I'm going to make some hummus and vegetable wraps. It's a real simple, quick recipe, and all we need is some chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, lemons, cucumber, red pepper, garlic, and spinach. Alright, first I'm going to start with cutting the cucumber. I just need to put the cucumbers in. And then you can see we have these nice, pretty, thin slices of cucumber. Now I'm going to make the hummus. And first I'm going to start out by using some chickpeas. And I used about 2 cans of 14.5 ounce cans. And then I'm going to add some lemon. And you can add however much you want. It's just your personal preference. I used 2 lemons today. And then I'm going to add some garlic. And I've got about a tablespoon of it here. I've probably got about a tablespoon of ground red peppers here. That's it. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to add a little bit of water as I'm going, just to thin it out some. Alright, that looks good. Alright, now I'm going to make the wrap. First, you just need a tortilla. I really like these Ezekiel sprouted grain tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and slice up a few cherry tomatoes. Alright, now I just put on some of the hummus and spread it out. Add some of the cucumbers and the cherry tomatoes and some spinach. And you can add what other veggies you have, whatever you like. This is one of my favorite combinations. And then you just wrap it up. And there you have it. There's a simple, easy, healthy Engine 2 recipe. Hope y'all enjoy.